So friends, today I'm going to show you how to make split Mung dal or lentil. This Mung dal is a very common dish that is made in the Indian household. So let's go ahead and see how to make split Mung dal or lentil. To make Mung dal, you will need 1 cup of Mung dal, which is split Mung lentil rinsed, 1 medium tomato finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of cilantro for garnishing, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of ghee, which is clarified butter, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 dry red chilies, 7 to 8 curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of garlic finely chopped, 1/8 teaspoon of asafoetida powder, 2 medium green chilies slit thin, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, and you will also need 4 cups of water. To cook lentils, you can either use a sauce pot or a pressure cooker. Pressure cooker reduces the cooking time to 1/4 the time you will take in a sauce pot. If you plan to use a pressure cooker, do follow the instructions properly before using it. However, here I am going to show you how to cook dal in a large heavy bottom sauce pot. In a large heavy bottom sauce pot, heat 4 cups of water. Add rinsed Mung lentils to it. Now add salt to taste. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and finely chopped tomatoes. Let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes until the dal is completely cooked. Keep mixing once in a while to avoid it from burning at the base. Heat a small sauce pot or tempering pan on medium-high heat. Add ghee to it. Let it melt and become hot. Then reduce the heat and then add mustard seeds. Let them pop. Add cumin seeds and let them sizzle. Then add dry red chilies and let them become slightly brown. Now add curry leaves and let them crisp. Add garlic and saute till it is slightly golden brown in color. Then add fresh slit green chilies. Then put asafoetida powder and then finally add turmeric powder. Saute everything. Make sure it does not burn. Close the heat. Now quickly add the aromatic sizzling tempering mix or tadka to the cooked dal. Your Mung dal is now ready. So friends, our split Mung dal or lentil is completely ready and it looks absolutely delicious. Especially with that extra tadka, the tempering, it is amazing. You will love it. Eat this with rice or roti, which is the bread, and enjoy. I hope you like this recipe.